Guys, good evening from East Africa. Local time now, a few minutes to 7 p.m. Here I have a towel. Here in my pocket, I have a soap. Okay? And you know what I want to do? I want to take a shower here in the river. This is my home right there. Also, this is my land up there. Next time you come and visit me, I want you also to experience what it means to shower in the river. Growing up here in East Africa as a baby, this was normal. But nowadays people think getting water from a concrete wall is luxury. Luxury is feeling this flow of the river and taking shower without worrying. Luxury. 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 Luxury.